talk 50 to me.
Giddy up, giddy up. That's that ball drop. That's that.
Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula. I am the lover of all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. And welcome to today's birthday photo shoot video. Okay, I know my attire is a little bit different than what you're used to seeing on a try-on haul. Today's video is something that I thought about doing. I am getting ready to have a 50th birthday photo shoot.
Oh my God.
Yes, I know your girl is about to be 50 in about a little bit over a month. I'm not having any type of celebration to commemorate the occasion. And since I've decided not to have a celebration, I thought about what if I have a birthday photo shoot instead? It took me a minute, but I've gathered up all of my looks and I just want to show them to you all. I don't care about y'all seeing my looks before I actually have my photo shoot. I don't care about that. The point of this video today, I want to show you my looks as well as I need your help. I need you to help me decide on the second look. Just in case you don't know, if it is your first time here, I am a St. Patrick's Day baby. And St. Patrick's Day color is Kelly green. The Kelly green against the melanin. I have two looks that's featuring that Kelly green color, and I need you to help me decide on which look I am going to rock for the photo shoot. I have one that's all black, and then I have one that'll involve the Kelly green. So that's where I need your help. Well, let's get into this video, but before we do, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to leave me a comment and let me know which Kelly green look I should wear, but you have to wait till the end of the video. So that means you need to stay, okay? Right, now let's get into it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Up first, I'm beginning with this look because this is the look that I was planning to wear for the celebration. Remember, I just told you, I'm not having a celebration, so therefore, this look is no longer needed, but I absolutely love it. I did think about wearing it for the photo shoot, but this is a size extra large. Although she looks good, y'all see this? Let me kind of scoot up. You see how this looks? I don't like that. I ordered a size extra large because I didn't know really how the material was. Even though I read the product details, I still wasn't sure. This material is so full of stretch. I could definitely size down to a large, possibly a medium, but she is a showstopper. This look, everything. I love it. And it came with the built-in panties. However, my midsection is my problem area. I did put on a thong shaper. It's a high-waisted thong shaper. It helped me feel just a little bit more excuse me, just a little bit more comfortable because these side panels are sheer. So if I did not have on this thong shaper, you would be able to see all of my goodness. And I didn't want that. But anyway, she is sexy. All right, next up, we have the first Kelly green outfit. Remember, I told you I have two Kelly green outfits, and this is where I need you to comment after the video. Once you've seen both, I need you to leave me your choice, what you think I should wear. This is the first. It is a jumpsuit. She is super cute. My favorite wide leg. Yes, the tag is still attached because I'm just trying her on. Now, I forgot to tell you the jumpsuit that I just had on, as well as this jumpsuit, are from Fashion Nova. This material is not very forgiving. I'm wearing a size extra large, and I'm wearing it extra large because I read the product details, and the top has stretch, but this bottom doesn't have, I don't think it contains any stretch. But because it's wide leg, it's okay for me. I forgot to show you all my shoes. These shoes are also from Fashion Nova. Super cute. Y'all know jumpsuits are one and done. Y'all already know it's an easy breezy outfit. All you have to do is accessorize. Anywho, Kelly Green look number 1. And here's Kelly Green look number 2. She is a bodycon dress. Y'all know bodycon dresses are my absolute favorite style of dress. I found this beauty on the TikTok shop. When I saw that she came in Kelly Green and I knew I had this photo shoot coming up, honey, I ordered her with the quickness. I'm wearing a size large. She fits like a glove. The only thing is, when I ordered it, I thought it would come in a cotton material, but this is not a cotton material. This top layer is like a mesh, and the layer underneath is more like a polyester spandex. I don't know the mix, but it's not cotton. But honey, I love the way she fits my body. I love it. She is full of ruching. You know, ruching is a curvy girl's best friend. The ruching kind of helps camouflage some things. This is the second look. Remember, I need you to let me know in the comments, the jumpsuit or the dress. This will be the second look for the photo shoot. And remember, if you are interested in the looks, I will have links below. I will have my link to my LTK, and then I will have the links to Fashion Nova in the description box, because Fashion Nova, they're not on LTK. So anyway, Kelly Green look number 2. Let me know in the comments. Yes, Talk 50 to me would have been my theme for my birthday celebration. So I'm just going to continue using it for the photo shoot. So Talk 50 to me. What y'all think? This is my look. This is the main look. Let me kind of bring it down a little bit. This is the main look for the photo shoot. Top and skirt are from Amazon. I am wearing a size extra large in the top. I really could have gotten a large with the way the sleeves are, but I mean, the extra large is okay. The skirt is a large. Now y'all, I had to kind of rig this skirt at the bottom. I know I don't have to tell y'all this, but I'm still gonna tell y'all. When I first got her and I was trying her on, I kind of ripped it at the bottom, so I used the little adhesive tape, fabric adhesive tape. I should have used small pieces, because with this being tulle, you can kind of see the fabric tape. But what I've been trying to do is just kind of put the other little pieces over it. So anyway, check it out here. She has this split, this sexy split. And I'm just wearing a pair of biker shorts underneath, and I just kind of pulled them up so you don't see them. And I am wearing a statement heel. These heels come from Rainbow. Again, I'm a baddie on a budget, okay? So when I saw these shoes and I saw that they had the Kelly Green in them, and it was just a printed statement shoe, I had to get it because I knew the look that I wanted to wear. And this look was inspired from Pinterest. I have several pictures. I will put them right here on the screen. Knowing what look I had in mind, and it was all black, and I'm a St. Patrick's Day girly, and I wanted to tie in the green. When I saw this heel, I needed it. $30. $30 for this heel, honey. I'm sure she's designer inspired. I haven't found the designer yet, but this shoe here is a statement, and that's what I love. And these are the earrings. Let me show you. Let me lift you up a little bit. These are the earrings that I will wear on photo shoot day. Green with the gold. I mean, perfect. Perfect. Pops against the mesh. And yeah. And girl, we have come to the end of the video, and I appreciate you for rocking with me today. Don't forget to leave me a comment and let me know which Kelly Green color you like. Which one should I wear for the photo shoot? Because I'm only doing 2 looks. This is the main look, and then I will do one of the other looks. So let me know what your vote is. I want to thank you for being here with me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Same place, same channel. Adios.
That's that keep going. That's that never stop. Giddy up, giddy.